Arda and İsa''s Balıkesir journey. "İs, look at the sign. We are officially in Balıkesir," shouted Arda. Balıkesir province covers a huge area in Turkey, touching both the Aegean Sea and the Sea of Marmara. It's famous for its delicious olives and its mighty mountains. Our adventure map was ready, and our first stop was the legendary Mount Ida. Kaz Dağları, or Mount Ida, is more than just a mountain. It's a national park full of history and legend. Long ago, people believed this was where the gods watched the Trojan War. The air here is so fresh and clean, sometimes they call it an oxygen factory. We hiked along winding trails, searching for the endemic plants that only grow here. Arda spotted a tiny spring bubbling from the rocks. "The water is so pure," he whispered. This protected national park helps keep hundreds of species of plants and animals safe. After 2 days in the mountains, we drove south to the coast. Suddenly, the deep blue Aegean Sea spread out before us. We were in Ayvalık, a charming coastal town. "Time for swimming!" İsa cheered. The water was cool and perfectly clear. Just across a small bridge from Ayvalık is Kunda Island, also called Alabay Island. The island is famous for its beautiful stone houses and narrow cobblestone streets. We spent hours exploring the old architecture and learning about the island's rich past as a Greek settlement. Exploring makes you hungry. Balıkesir is famous for its food, especially the local dessert called hosmerim. It's a sweet, cheesy treat that melts in your mouth. We sat by the harbor, savoring the salty air and the sweet dessert. Later, we drove inland again to experience the thermal springs. Balıkesir has many places where warm, mineral-rich water comes right out of the earth. We learned that the minerals in the hot water are great for tired muscles and relaxation. Did you know Balıkesir's name has an interesting history? Some people think it comes from the Turkish words meaning fish and city, Balıkesir. Others say it means honey guard. Either way, it guards some of the best natural treasures in Turkey. From the ancient olive groves that produce liquid gold to the highest peaks of Kaz Dağları, Balıkesir showed us so much variety. We saw history, we swam in the sea, and we learned how important it is to protect these beautiful places. If you love adventure, history, nature, and incredible food, Balıkesir is waiting. Pack your bags, grab a map, and prepare to be amazed by the treasures of the Aegean and Marmara regions. Safe travels!